एक नाम से कांपती थी, जिसने अपने दोस्तों के लिए जंग लड़ी। अब उसी दोस्त का सामना करने के लिए एक नए सलार को जन्म लेना होगा।
अपने बाबा की मौत का बदला लूंगा। और जो साम्राज्य।
एक समय था जब दुनिया और दुश्मनों के लिए मौत का दूसरा नाम बन गया।
जो उनसे छीना गया था, उसे वापस लेकर रहूंगा। मैं अब ये जंग सिर्फ मेरी नहीं, मेरे बाबा की विरासत की है।
The highly anticipated official trailer for Salar Part 2, Ceasefire, has finally dropped, and it's nothing short of a cinematic spectacle. Directed by Prashant Neel, the mastermind behind the blockbuster KGF series, this sequel promises to elevate the action genre to new heights, leaving fans buzzing with excitement. A glimpse into the storyline. The trailer opens with a dramatic montage, teasing the continuation of Salar's journey as he battles formidable enemies to secure his legacy. While the plot remains tightly under wraps, the glimpses of intense action sequences, gripping dialogues, and emotional undertones hint at a narrative that is both compelling and larger than life. Prabhas, in the titular role, exudes charisma and raw power, reminding audiences why he is one of the most bankable stars in Indian cinema. Shruti Hassan, who reprises her role as Adya, shares a palpable chemistry with Prabhas, adding depth to the storyline. The trailer also introduces a new antagonist, played by the versatile Prithviraj Sukumaran, whose menacing presence is bound to leave a mark. Visual and technical brilliance. The trailer is a visual treat, with each frame meticulously crafted to showcase the grandeur of the film. The cinematography by Bhuvan Govda captures the raw and rugged landscapes, complementing the intense tone of the movie. Ravi Basroor's background score is another highlight, amplifying the adrenaline-pumping sequences and adding an emotional resonance to the narrative. Action sequences, a feast for the senses. True to Prashant Neel's style, Salar Part 2 is packed with high-octane action sequences that promise to be the film's centerpiece. The trailer features jaw-dropping stunts, explosive fight scenes, and larger-than-life set pieces, ensuring that fans of the action genre will not be disappointed. Fan reactions and expectations. Within hours of its release, the trailer has taken social media by storm, trending across platforms and garnering millions of views. Fans have lauded the film's scale, performances, and technical finesse, with many dubbing it a potential game-changer for Indian cinema. As the release date approaches, the excitement surrounding Salar Part 2, Ceasefire, continues to build. With its stellar cast, gripping storyline, and breathtaking visuals, the film is poised to be one of the biggest cinematic events of the year. Release date and final thoughts. Salar Part 2, Ceasefire, is set to hit theaters worldwide on, insert release date, and expectations are sky high. If the trailer is any indication, the film promises to deliver a cinematic experience that will stay with audiences long after the credits roll. For fans of Prabhas and lovers of action-packed storytelling, Salar Part 2 is shaping up to be an unmissable spectacle. The countdown to the ultimate showdown has begun,